So here's where we stand on the typewriter. I went and finally got the cover off after many, many attempts and the wrong tools. Pro tip for you if you are trying to take apart screws from a 1935 typewriter: A, oil, and B, it helps if you actually have the right tools. I had to get a socket wrench set to go and get the proper leverage in order to take the screws off. Finally got the cover off, terribly excited about that, and then I want to get the back bit off, the part with the scroll and all of that bit, so I can actually get inside the typewriter and clean it up a bit more. And it turns out I have no idea how to do that. There are a lot of screws on this machine, and they all seem to connect to terribly important bits, but as soon as you take them off, they don't seem to connect to terribly important bits. So I am still in the process of taking this apart. I have made good progress. I really do need to give this whole thing another smothering in oil, but I am cleaning up and as I go. Hopefully next time I see you, I will have this typewriter, if not entirely in pieces, then pretty darn close. Next time, I'm going to get the top bit off, and then I'm going to figure out how in the world to get the keys out. Oh boy. Part of me thinks that I might be in over my head on some of this. Part of me says that this is great fun and super relaxing, and actually a lot more interesting than I thought. I do know one thing. These old machines are very solidly built. They are very well built. Whoever made them knew exactly what they were doing. I just have no idea what it is that they thought they were doing. So, anyways, that is the part 2 of the Typewriter Saga. I really would like to get this, taken to bits sooner rather than later so that I could actually clean it and put it together and then, write with it. Of course, the really hard part is, where in the world am I going to put it?